All right, so we have the no drop, just the belt mount. This is the Blade Tech belt mount with the Blade Tech quick release. I'm going to try that out. This one, it has a little more wiggle because it doesn't have a strap, but I'm going to try it out and see where we're at. I think if we got the overall belt tighter, this would probably suck down, but we're going to do some build drills with this also. Ready? Little holster malfunction there at the beginning. All right, let's go again. Ready? A little better. Ready? Okay, this won't be with a reload. Ready? All right.
You're ready.
Ready? Yep. Not too bad.